Well, this is a road. Well, it used to be a road that I know very well. And we had a massive wind storm last night, and it's still whipping, as you can tell. And the road is completely messed up over there. See if I can get a shot of this. The poles are the right side of the road. As you can tell, there's no right side of the road over there anymore. You can see sections of the road over here. This is the road right here. Let me see if I can get a couple of shots of the road in the foreground. I'm getting totally destroyed out here. The surf is pretty bad. And you know, sometimes you just gotta get out of here and try not to fall while you're walking. This is a road, yes. This is a road right here. Well, it used to be a road. I got salt all over the lenses. Oh man. This is one of those things. It's like there are certain areas within wherever you are that when storms come, they always get affected pretty badly. I spent a couple of hours driving around and literally there was not much as far as trees down and things like that. I've seen this this road getting torn up quite a few times, but this could be one of the worst ones actually. They're gonna have to rebuild the road. There's no way that there's gonna be any road here, not for a little while. Wow, that is like totally insane. The hard part for me is always literally just to try to get like processed and I, you know, sitting in a car on a laptop is the hardest part, and going through the editing process when you take a lot of photos, but they're all very similar, so you really have to narrow things down into 2 or 3 really good pictures, and I think I've done it, but it's yeah, it is what it is. Man, I'm just glad that I didn't get too soaked. But the lenses are totally covered with that saltwater slime or whatever you want to call that. That haze that just covers your lenses, you know? Time to take a little bit of a break, warm up, and maybe go back over there. I don't know. I don't think I need to go back over there. Sometimes just get a couple of good shots and move on. I lost the hood to my 300 millimeter 2.8, and I went all the way back on that mess. And I'm walking back, and look what I just spotted. Yes. Woo, got it. Definitely not going to leave without at least trying to find this thing.